Hi guys, I'm Tanika Ray coming to you from the AFCA Awards, one of the most exciting award shows here in Hollywood. Many of the nominees tonight are HBCU alumni and award winners, so it's a great night to talk about Black excellence.
I think we're in a time where people of color are experiencing such dimension and such exposure in terms of storytelling, and I think part of that storytelling is that our history matters.
It's always been a cool thing to sort of like celebrate your culture, celebrate your heritage.
That's why it's so important for us to go back to our HBCUs, because they teach us that being us is okay.
Many of these schools were willed so that people of color could be educated. They were given so that there could be a place for knowledge to be gotten.
But we're also here to celebrate Home Depot, which has this initiative called Retool Your School. 9 HBCUs can win up to $50,000 to rehab some of their campuses, which is really important, especially for kids that are going to HBCUs.
I have a child in the HBCU at Howard. Man, it's just beautiful that Home Depot is doing this.
I love that they're believing in the HBCUs because they are turning out some phenomenal people.
I've been one of the judges for the Home Depot Retool Your School for the last 5 years. It's been a pleasure to work as an HBCU grad, and every year, you know, they outdo themselves and give more money and give more prizes and give more awards to people that submit these proposals. So Home Depot, they're a winner with me.
Tell the people to go out and vote.
Go out and vote right now. Home Depot, HBCUs could not be more important. Do it.
Go out and vote.
50 racks, y'all can go do a little vote.
Make sure you get online and vote for your school, for Retool Your School.
Go out and vote, retool your school.
Go out and vote. Retool your school.
Come on now, go vote.
Please, go out and vote. Retool your school.